My time as an intern has been a good opportunity to learn new things and expand my skills.
I have the ability to design software with a user-centric approach. Additionally, I have gained a knowledge of project management because we have worked with real projects.
We do a lot of the same things at my school as we do here at Trifork. We try to develop systems and we practice our programming a lot. So yeah, there's a great relation between these two.
I'm also very happy with the responsibility my team has given me during my internship.
I have the opportunity to plan my own working weeks depending on the workload from the university.
I think it's very nice that you work in smaller teams, so you are very close with your colleagues.
It's a nice benefit that there's a lot of young people here at Trifork.
Yeah, I agree.
I also really like the social events we have at Trifork. We have board games events, we have CrossFit each Monday morning, as well as Friday bars and summer parties.
Jeg skal til at sige sådan noget 7 ord. Det må sætte undersøgelse på.
Du må bare doppe det her.